If you're seeing the base44 error, here's the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. First, try a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. This clears out cache data and reloads the page fresh, which often fixes temporary loading issues. If that does not solve it, open a new incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and then check whether base44 is working properly there. Incognito mode helps you test whether the issue is caused by browser cache, cookies, or extensions. If it works in incognito, the problem is likely local to your normal browser session. Next, go back to the last prompt or action you made and click the revert button underneath it. This will undo the last change and can help restore the app if the error was triggered by a recent step. After that, refresh the page again and check whether the 440 error is gone. These 3 steps are the quickest way to isolate and fix the issue. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.